All right. So you ask what the problem is with this thing. I'm not sure if this is a clip for your pocket. My coworker said it's a money clip, and he knew instantly what it was. He's the kind of guy who buys things out of these catalogs, or those catalogs. Anyhow, to open it up, you have the notch side down, and I'll explain the purpose of the notch later. You just have to pry it open. And don't stop prying until it's totally open. Otherwise, this is what happens. Scare the dog too. Anyhow, you open it up like that. And not many cards fit in here. I'm going to use my driver's license. Don't look at the picture. Anyway, you just wait a minute. I don't think it's. Well, maybe you don't. There we go. All right. So now you just let it close. Push the card down. So if you're leaving the house, you just take the driver's license out of your wallet and you put it in this mini wallet in case you need some cash. Well, you should always leave the house with a couple bucks in your pocket or in your clip. So you can just put it right. You might want to replay this and have yours handy so you can, so there you go. And then you could put it in your pocket like this. It's so much better than hauling around your regular wallet. It's not gonna, just carry a buck. Always have a buck. Yeah. There we go. There we go. It's much better. Anyway, well, don't take any money with you. You shouldn't. Never mind. So with the notch, what you can do is, if you need your driver's license, say you're stopped or you're carded at a store or something, it's not going to happen unless you forget your Buckeye card. What the notch is ostensibly for is you push up, your card comes up, and then you just pull. To get it back in there, well, I'm probably scratching the magnetic strip on here. Oh, look, it just went right back in. So practice that a few times. And then, when if anything happens, if there's a fire and you don't want to carry it, a lot of things, you can just get this, get your credit cards out of your wallet and just put it right in here. And then attach it to your pocket like this. Well, or just put it in your pocket like that. So that's about as close as I can figure. There might be a better video online. I really doubt it. But thank you. I like it. If nothing else, it's a good weapon. All right. Well, and thanks for the panini card. And the coffee. Say hello to the cat. Come here. There she is. Wave. Hi. Anyway. Whoa. All right. That's about it.